Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter of SS, chapter 4, the beginning of human life. This chapter is divided into two parts. Today we will discuss part 1. In this part, we will learn about the Stone Age, the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age, the Mesolithic Age or the Middle Stone Age, the discovery of fire, the invention of wheel, and cattle rearing. So let's start the chapter Beginning of Human Life, Part 1. The Beginning of Human Life, Chapter 4, Part 1. Human beings appeared on the earth in the last stage of evolution. The human like species first arrived in Africa around 2 million years ago. The earliest humans hunted animals and gathered food from the forest. They were nomads. Nomads means people moving from one place to another or not settling permanently. So they were nomads moving from one place to another in search of food. They dwelt in caves and wore animals' hides to protect themselves from extreme cold. They started making tools out of bones and stones to protect themselves against wild animals, to cut down twigs from trees and hunt animals. This activity of tool making using stone separated the human beings from all other animals and gave them an advantage over others. Therefore, the earliest stage of human activities is known as the Stone Age. The Stone Age is further subdivided into three periods on the basis of the nature of the tools and main modes of subsistence: the Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age, the Mesolithic Age or the Middle Stone Age, the Neolithic Age or the New Stone Age. The words Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic have Greek origins. Lithos means stone in Greek, while Paleolis, Mesos, and Neos mean old, middle, and new, respectively. Here, now, we will discuss about tools and weapons of that age. First, the Old Stone Age or the Paleolithic Age. The Paleolithic Age or the Old Stone Age lasted in India approximately from 6 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. During this period, there was a tremendous progress in the manufacture of tools, along with the discovery of fire. The Paleolithic Age has been subdivided into three subperiods: the Lower Paleolithic Age, the Middle Paleolithic Age, and the Upper Paleolithic Age. The first stone tools appeared in the Lower Paleolithic Age. This was an extremely cold period called the Ice Age, when many parts of the earth were covered in ice. Core tools were the most important Lower Paleolithic tools. Flake tools were the most important Middle Paleolithic tools. Blades and burins were the most important Upper Paleolithic tools. Tools and weapons of the Middle Stone Age. The Paleolithic Age was succeeded by the Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. In the Indian subcontinent, it roughly dates from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. As the Ice Age ended, people start hunting smaller animals and adopting plant food. Now the people used small and efficient tools called microliths. These tools were smaller, sharper, and more efficient than the Paleolithic tools. Discovery of fire. Discovery of fire was a milestone in development of human life. By rubbing the piece of stone against another piece of stone, human developed that the process creates fire. From this, human learned burning fire and cooking food. They also started using fire for saving them from wild animals and to keep their bodies warm during cold. Discovery of fire made their life easy. The invention of wheel. Before invention of wheel, early man has to walk on foot. They would move to walking distance areas only. They generally used tamed animals for riding to covering longer distances with very less goods. They lived in small groups in different places. Before invention of wheel, these small groups would remain isolated from other groups. Later, they started to carry their burden on flat pieces of wood. With the thought of rounded shaped object can roll more easily on earth's surface. Thus, it was the first time when an idea of wheel came in existence. Early human got idea to use wide stem of the trees as a wheel. This was a revolution in early man life. Now they could easily make wheels with holes inside by joining the two. Later, they made that cart that could be carried by a bullock. Thus, invention of wheel had changed the early man life entirely. Cattle rearing. In addition to hunting and gathering, men learned to tame animals. Domestication of dogs was prevalent in the Middle Stone Age. The dogs became the first pet of humans mainly because it defended them from wild animals. Later, they learned to tame such animals as sheep, goats, pigs, and cattle. When herds and flocks of these domesticated or tamed animals ate most of the grass supply Near a camping place, the herdsmen and their families moved on to fresh grazing land. This way, life is called pastoral or nomadic, and the people who wander from pasture to pasture are called nomads. So, children, this is the first part of SS. Thank you for watching this video.